Hello and welcome to this video showing how to pick by serial number and add a warranty upon dispatch in Business Cloud Essentials. In this video I'm going to show you how to pick by serial number from the sales order screen and also add a warranty to picked items and monitor the warranty life in our client inventory. Using Business Cloud Essentials, it is extremely simple to control what is dispatched to your customers. You have the ability to multi-pick, dispatch and invoice, and also pick orders by different means. In this instance, I'm going to quick pick the items for the sales order I have selected. The serial number inquiry function is a helpful tool for breaking down batch availability. You have instant visibility of your batch quantities based on what has been planned and what has been already allocated to orders. You can also split your picking list across multiple batches, adding further flexibility to your picking process. Here we are now presented with a picking list, one for the office and another copy for the store. Upon dispatch of the picked items, there is the option to add a warranty. From here, we can input an appropriate start and end date for the warranty. And, providing we have assigned the dispatched item or items with a serial number, as well as a start and end date warranty, that item will now appear in our client inventory. The client inventory in Business Cloud Essentials provides an extra level of traceability, providing you with the details of post-sale items such as serial numbers, status and location, the customer and the warranty time frame. That concludes our video on picking by serial number and adding warranties in Business Cloud Essentials. Today we have gone through how to query serial number availability before picking, how to pick by serial number and also split picking lists across numerous serial numbers, how to add warranties to items upon dispatch, and how to track warranted items in our client inventory. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to find out more, please don't hesitate to get in contact.